Excellent. So you attended the Riddle of the Exporter seminar. Tell me, what was your favorite takeaway?
The best part about the Riddle of the Exporter seminar is the fact that you give the attendees the power to help themselves. You give you give them workbooks, you give them writing exercises, you give them places to go to do research, you show them how to open the door, and you let them walk through it.
Wow. Well, Emily, it was a pleasure to work with you and to see you today at the Riddle of the Exporter.
It's a pleasure, Betty.
Thank you. Thank you.